Okay, boys and girls, so we are starting a new informational reading unit, and we're going to be using Sea Monsters as our text for the next few weeks. But let's go over what exactly is informational text. All right, so one of the ways that you will know that you have picked up a book that is going to be giving you factual information is when you open it up, you're going to see different types of uh, things popping out at you that you normally wouldn't see in a regular fiction chapter book. For instance, let's just take a look at this chart. This is our informational text features. All right, it's going to tell you why you have these features here, because all of these features are going to give you important information. They're going to help you understand the text, and it just makes it a lot more fun to read the text. And when you actually go back to look for things, it's going to make it easier for you to find the information you're looking for. So in your book, when you open it, you will have a table of contents similar to your table of contents for chapters, but this time it usually is going to tell you what is in the book and the page that it is on. Go down here. Here is a heading. So headings, they tell you what you are going to be reading about. So for instance, if we look here in our book, that we're going to come up to read, this is what is called a heading or a subheading. This is going to tell you what this whole little text feature here is going to be about. For instance, this is about how scientists capture a live giant squid. Okay, so you can flip back through. You can say, where did I read about squids? And you can look back for the headings to be able to find those. Then there's things called captions. Captions tell us about the photo, and they usually are using a drawing to do that. So let's see here. This would be like a caption, or sometimes these little things down here would be captions. They help you to give you a visual of what is going on in there. Same thing with the drawings. Caption tells you about what the drawing is doing. Glossaries you're going to find in the back of the book. A glossary will have special words that are probably new words to us, and we can go back in there and we can read the meaning of those words. So if you ever find a new word that's not familiar, it's usually going to be in bold-faced, and you can go back to the glossary and look that up. Okay? And of course, in your informational books, you are going to have photographs of real things, and those real things will be labeled, and it's going to tell you the different features about it. Or you will have what is called the diagram. And in the diagrams, there are going to be all these little labels, again, telling us it is a drawing, and it is telling you what the drawing is about, and it's broken it down into little pieces. So as you are reading for informational text, one of the things that you want to be able to be doing is looking for those text features, because they're the ones that are going to help you answer your problems. So not your problems, answer your questions for our assignment this week. And I want you to be noticing those and paying close attention to those as you are jotting down things, because again, that will help you answer questions that you may have. All right. So I hope that helps a little bit as you are working on your reading assignment for this week.